Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go and you subscribe to the channel, join the Homekrafted family. Make sure you hit that notification bell button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video, and in this channel give a like as soon as we actually start the video. So if you haven't pressed that like button yet, make sure you go and you press that like button. So in this video we're gonna be looking at a little thing majigi, a little device that I bought not so long ago for me to be able to basically track my wallet. Now this is a little tiny wallet. I've made a video on this wallet before where I keep my cards. I obviously have the gym card here at the back, Virgin Active, which we're really not using at the moment. But anyways, so I tend to misplace a lot of stuff. And one of the stuff, apart from my keys, that I misplace a lot around this house. And remember, actually I'm currently alone in this house. So when you misplace something, it's actually really quite frustrating, because definitely you know that you're the one who put it somewhere that you cannot even remember where it is. So this guy here will help me locate my wallet whenever I actually misplace it. Let's unboxing, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, and hopefully it's going to be thin enough where I can actually put inside, or maybe just attach it here so I can track it. Now this is a tile. This specific one should be a recent release. When I say recent, maybe a couple of years now, 2 or 3, because from what I know is they make little circle stuff like at the size of maybe a cap for you to be able to track keys, and also you can actually put it inside maybe your bag. If you lose your bag, you can easily get notified and also track your bag. Now let's unbox, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside. Now before we go there, let me show you what it says on the packaging itself. Now the name, as I already mentioned, is Tile. This is a slim version of the Tile, which I bought from the iStore. You guys can go to their website or go to a physical store. You will find this guy there, hopefully. So in front it says the name of the device is Tile. It shows you that you can put it inside your wallet, your purse, your passport holder, and I think you can also stick it maybe behind your cell phone or your tablet. There's a symbol of a tablet there. And here it says slim, sleek finder for narrow spaces. Behind we have ring your things. Obviously, I'm sure that it comes with an app which you can use to, if you misplace something, you ring your device. The same way where you can actually find your iPhone using the Apple Watch. Let me just show you guys quickly. From the Apple Watch, I can ring my iPhone, and if I've misplaced my iPhone, I can actually see where the iPhone is around the house. So I think this should work the same way. And one thing I've actually seen on maybe another video, if I'm not mistaken, you can actually ring it the other way around. So you can use the tile itself to locate your device, which is actually great. And also it shows you that you can probably locate this device in a distance of 60 meters, 200 feet. He has a 3-year battery inside, which is really good, and it works with the App Store. Obviously you have the App Store app, you have the Google Play app which you can get it on, and it works with Alexa and as well as Google Assistant. So I'm pretty sure I can go to my Google Assistant and say, hey Google, and it's, hey Google, where's my wallet or something of sort, and it's going to ring the wallet, and I'll be able to find the wallet. And talking about Google Assistant, don't forget of the giveaway that's running on Instagram right now. Go there. We only have a week left. The giveaway ran for 2 weeks. Actually, remind me not to run a giveaway for 2 weeks again. I think it's really long. Maybe next giveaway you should make it maybe a week. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments right below the like button. Now, without further ado, let's unbox this guy. All right, easy unboxing. Rip that off. We don't need a knife this time. You have the download Tile app using obviously Apple Store. App Store, which is what we're going to use for this. And although we normally don't read this guy, let me just check. It actually shows you how to remove the plastic out of the battery for you to be able to get it active. Now on this guide here, they only show you the older devices, which is the one that I'm actually familiar with, which I'm going to put maybe pictures of it so you guys can see right while I'm speaking right now. Obviously editing PMHK is going to do the magic for you guys. So let's put that on the side and let's see what else comes inside. Okay, so there we go. We are definitely inside, and this guy is definitely thin. This is probably the size of 2 credit cards stacked together. We put that on the side as well, and that's basically it on the box. All right, so we've successfully downloaded the application. I'm at the welcome to tile screen. I'm gonna sign up right now. No Facebook. Get started. I'm gonna get started actually. Okay, so I can actually activate the tile. These are actually the different kind of tiles that you can get. These are the 3 types. I obviously got the slim card one, which I'm going to use inside my wallet. Hopefully it's going to fit inside, which I'm going to actually test and show it to you guys. Okay, so I need to sign up. Activate tile. Click the tile button once to begin activation. It will play a nice tune afterwards. Tap continue. Okay, I need to press this button. All right, so it seems to be working. Done. It's activated. That's actually quite straightforward. Great. Tile is now activated. To continue, tap next. Since I already have many cards inside, this is taking right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. I'm going to replace that one and put it right outside, which is right here. Just to show you guys that it also fits on the inside. From what I can tell, this guy here will replace around 3 cards if you are using maybe a wallet like this one that I have. But for the sake of my wallet, since it's kind of tiny, I'm going to have this guy on the outside, just sitting like that. And since it's kind of black also, I can actually see right there. Beautiful, right? Okay, so premium tile subscription, 30 days free is there. I don't know what's gonna happen after the 30 days. Pedro's iPhone wallet. Okay, it actually shows the location where my wallet is. Nice. Hey Siri, find my wallet.
Okay, done. Wallet is nearby. I'm ringing it now.
All right, it seems to be working just fine, which I can even use it with Siri, which is cool, quite cool. So this thing is actually it's pretty loud, eh? So you're not really going to miss it. And as I mentioned, which is good, since I have a HomePod there, I actually don't even have to have my phone with me. I can just go to the HomePod and tell Siri and tell Siri to find my wallet. So this guy actually, one problem that I'm actually having here, it's although the wallet is close to me, it's telling me that this wallet is not in range. As you guys saw, it worked with Siri, but it should actually also work with the app directly from the actual phone. As I mentioned, you can locate either your tile with your iPhone or your iPhone with your tile. So Siri worked. I'm also gonna try and get it to work on the phone, and maybe it's not working because remember I'm using a beta software. I'm using iOS 14 beta 2. Maybe that's one of the bugs that's not allowing me to locate it the other way around. I can't really be sure of that. I'm gonna try and test it out, and if I have any update for you guys, obviously I'm gonna leave it in the comments. I'm gonna pin something, or obviously make sure you're following me on Instagram, because that's where life happens after I shoot videos here for you guys on YouTube. All right, so now that I am editing the actual video, I just tried the tile. As you can see now, actually, like you can see the button to find the wallet. as it shows there. So as soon as I press the find the wallet button, you can see the thing actually it rings. So it's all working fine now. So this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As I mentioned in the beginning, make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you go and you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, which actually helps other kids find my channel. And the more we grow, the more we can do on the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys on my next video. Peace.